A day to remember. One sunny Saturday morning, Eli woke up to the smell of pancakes and maple syrup. He stretched, yawned, and grinned. It was Grandpa Day. Every month, Eli spent one whole day with Grandpa Thomas, who wore a big straw hat, told the silliest jokes, and always had a new adventure up his sleeve. Ready for a day full of learning and fun? Grandpa called from the kitchen. "You bet I am," Eli cheered, grabbing his backpack. Packing with purpose. Before they left, Grandpa said, "Let's pack our adventure bag. First life skill, being prepared." Eli added, a water bottle, a healthy snack, red apple, a flashlight torch, and a small notebook. "Why the notebook?" Eli asked. "To write down what you learn," Grandpa winked. The garden lesson. Their first stop was Grandpa's garden. "Let's get our hands dirty," Grandpa said, handing Eli a tiny shovel. They pulled weeds, planted carrots, and watered tomatoes. "Gardening teaches us patience and responsibility," Grandpa explained. Eli giggled. "And how not to splash mud on our shoes." The grocery store mission. Next, they walked to the local grocery store. Grandpa handed Eli a list. "Let's buy food for lunch, but only with $10. Eli scratched his head. We need to be smart." He compared prices, picked fresh fruits, and even said, "Let's skip the cookies." "Budgeting is a superpower," Grandpa said proudly. "Like being a grocery ninja," Eli added. Lunch and chores. Back at Grandpa's house, they made sandwiches and cut apples for lunch. After eating, Grandpa asked, "Time to clean up." "No, why?" "Because we're not messy monsters," Eli guessed. "Exactly. Cleaning up after yourself is a life skill too." They sang silly songs while washing dishes. Musical note. Soapy spoons and sparkly plates. Cleanup fun is really great. Musical note. The fix-it project. Later, they went to the garage. Today, Grandpa said, "We fix a wobbly chair." With a screwdriver, wood glue, and teamwork, the chair stood strong. "Wow, we fixed it!" Eli shouted. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.